तारीना खातून आपका स्वागत करती हूँ हमारे YouTube चैनल योगा फीड्स में। एंड दिस energizing morning, I want to transfer this energy to you by teaching you how we can do forward bending or Paschimottanasana. So simple tricks I'm going to teach you with the help of this trick. And if you don't have this, then use any dupatta and stall you have in your home. So let's start. So first, doing with any final asana, do stretch or warm up your body first, and then try to practice the asana in which you struggle or you find difficulty or you want to practice. So same thing with this Paschimottanasana or the forward bending posture. First, sit in the relaxing posture, open your leg forward and just try to relax your leg muscles. Take a deep breath, inhale and slowly exhale. So, first one important trick or point or advice I will give you is to don't focus to touching your toe. Okay? Instead going to touch your toe, try to focus or aim or goal or one thing is to your thigh and your belly. Try to reduce the gap between your thigh and your belly. So suppose you are going to touching your toe in Paschimottanasana. So first you aiming to touching your toe and then going forward. Okay, so instead of, so you will be stuck here, you will then, it will be take more time to reach there. So what you can do or you should do is to aim to reduce the gap between your belly and your thigh. So try to go this way. Okay. So as I can easily do, so it is easy for me to go, directly on at the final position. But if we are a beginner, if we are practicing in the beginning, so then we should take help of these things. So then do is to first try to focus on you reducing gap between legs, and slowly your hand will be easily reach out to your leg and then drop the forehead very easily. So same time with this help of this, what you can do is to you can slightly open your legs, keeping your spine straight, and then grab your belt and make one roll and slightly by opening up your elbows, try to again drop your belly on your thighs, touch your belly on your thighs. First, very beginner, you can't go indirectly, then stay here slowly by outsiding your elbows, by exhaling, moving slightly slowly forward. Okay. And then while deep breath in, come back. Repeat same with the other leg and slowly come back. Now, with the both feet, so by outsiding your elbows, move forward, and stay. Try to stay as long as you can. Try to little bit, enjoy your pain. And then come back. So it was the belt head, and now by yourself. So same belly and then keeping your spine straight Get active, looking forward, exhaling, forward, and then drop it down. And going more advanced, grab your one elbow, lock feet, and then move forward. Slowly inhaling, come back, exhale, relax. So please remember, warm up or stretch your body first before doing any particular asana or practicing any asana which you find difficult. Hope you like this and do comment, subscribe our channel, like it, and connect with us on Facebook and Instagram as well. See you soon. Thank you. Namaste.